PRB Market rong cleared up along mini auditorium hall Kimponjia Phan long Ekesom. North Qatar Hills Conference Hall along Gunotsav Puthak Perangkia Mai Kangni. Dengaung English LP School along Tadi Thoma Parman Gunotsav Kapang Chengpon. Kardom Nilikar Birta Thanbang Sami Vilbon Kropi non Arjuik Tha Birtang Tonpen Preni Pai Cap Arni ada Por Pai Krisia Pormalompen Karbiang Long Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Rong Hang Ahin Pen PRB Market Rong Cleared Up along Mini Auditorium Hall Kikim Jiapan Long Ekisom Mini Auditorium Hall di Furong Supi PRB Market Rong Cleared Up along Kikim Kirang Pon Jiapan Karbiang Long Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Rong Hang Arideng Pen Long E Sompon Tanglo Labang so Mini Auditorium Hall apan Sika Kuti Siat Langka Panong Pon Pusi Birta Ribdun Long
Finance Department Pen Special Package itu mana kilo Kelong Ching lo Karbiang Long Autonomous Council ke First time lo history for the first time of history of the Karbiang Long Autonomous Council Assam government menilitum kelong ke 50 crore satang kail tempat special package nak kilo stick light bang ke pekal lapo arong tin awak tin anda mai lake kal lapo tekloyon ni mona tu teklong pula ke laso bang ke laso ane tekloyon November December mong tang daki lake alang le MLA kai pulok di puben ke hai ong pik dan nang klaim pinai pusi alang ni kapin karatek nasi lahai tak klaim tum ningkani siang bang pen awak tin dame Tuar jate dong peplek peplok avide dia phat langbung pa avide dia phat hitung MLA kai nang pingkat pen ini tum cingwai cing sai lo Karbiang Autonomous Council pen cingwai si laning kani siang bong awak tin dame ja blok doji blok pepal dei lapena bokarasta kapitan dia panil tung klempon laning kana siang bong 10 months bong pen la diput tahunan ke tuar bang ke tang thai po pusi na tuman pinira mailong tamen ilap chak na kila
etu Riser project gotike sadar rise apnaloke projector construction or time mot hojog dibo aru complete hua pasot etu maintenance or responsibility apnaloke lobo tetia ei project to successful hobo aru etu successfully ya chole takibo
Dima Hasao District along Preni Pai Krisi Pen Cricket Home Arni An Ni Thoma Parman Home Paro Ner Kebra Home Thom Kebra ke Thom Askola Parman Pangcheng Pon Pusi Niletum Kat News Saperang ke Half Long Pen Birtanang Pale North Qatar Hills Autonomous Council Conference Hall along Perangkia Mai Kipado Ponahut Principal Secretary in charge Kam Sarba Siksha Dima Hasao Chairman Titi Dolokapua Hin Pen Ni Thoma Parman Gunotsa Faja Mek Mesen Pen Kapachun Pon Pami Jiaphan Jisik Chadang Pon Rinti Dima Hasao along Gunotsaf Kapaman Pon Jialong Bang Paro ke Thomra Bang Hini Externals Doji Labang Soang Bong along North Qatar Hills Autonomous Council CM Debolal Gorlosa EM Lapen Kaprek Saikam Sai Phatum Doji Anparta Dima Hasao Angtan Pen IAS IFS IPS Lapen ACS Atum Sitame Home Thom An School along Humridam Nang Jipusi Birta Pachinipon Preni Pai Cap Adap Por Pai Ner Kebra Chutim Apor Pen Dengaung English LP School along Ta Mesen Pen Gunotsa Faja Mek Ateng Pen Pangcheng Ponlo Labang So School along SMC Mai Pu Korsing Timung Chitong Dunsi Alang Li Reading Pen School alama Pangjar Ponlo La Pen School along Headmaster Mongol Singh Bea Hin Pen Gunotsa Puthak Lam Thejai Pon School Hemalong Lochari Bom also Markado Kawe Pen Bang Paro Pora Plikep Apai Ando Bon Sitame Gunotsa Fasat Lang along Ingdeng Hini Pen Chenglong Ingdeng Po An Lochari Bom also Maratum Ansi School along Start Lang Angtek and Ponlo
holding second phase of Gunotsop including Karbiang Long. So today our school, especially Dengaung English LP School also, we are holding Gunotsop program. Today's examination is reading and dictation especially. Right from class 2 to class 5, class 2, class 3, class 4 and class 5. So for 4 classes today the examination is taking. So every classroom the examination is going on now.
an parata school along lo than bang school SMC lapen lo Charlie bom ausomar apia potum chetong dunsi kunot soft mesen pen padopon bom lo presiden gong hawar pen nilitum kat news sa pherangke Robin Bay pen birta nang pale Preni Pike Cap Arni Kokrajhar hawar along ghonta kreni an rail rokwa sai kedeng pon pusi pherangke tumpen kat news sai hempi along birta nang pale Kokrajhar rail station along Apsu NDFBP NDFBR lapen PJA CMB asong atung ancelang pet pen separate Boroland ke hangaputhak kachesong ang thek chepaklang sai kedeng Pinpur me Boro atum separate Boroland ke hang ajirding kluilo bon sedame central government atum pen non puta ki PJA phan kamatha ponang thek avelang Birta bangkela pasikang ton poniklok langi bom thakat news channel dome thakme kurwang thum